Dividing fractions is the one that puts most people off. But once you know the 3-word rule, it becomes one of the easiest things in fractions. Dividing fractions means working out how many times one fraction fits into another. The good news is there is a single method that works every time, without exception. 3 words: keep, flip, multiply. Keep the first fraction exactly as it is. Flip the second fraction upside down, so the top and bottom swap places. Then multiply the 2 fractions together exactly as you learned in the last video. Simplify at the end if you can. 3/4 divided by 1/2. Keep 3/4 as it is. Flip 1/2. It becomes 2/1. Now multiply. 3 times 2 is 6 on top. 4 times 1 is 4 on the bottom. 6/4 simplifies to 3/2, or 1/2. Here is why this works. When you flip a fraction, you get what is called its reciprocal. And dividing by a fraction is mathematically identical to multiplying by its reciprocal. Dividing by 1/2 is the same as multiplying by 2, because 2 halves make a whole. You use this whenever you are sharing something into fractional portions. Splitting a recipe quantity into smaller batches. Working out how many equal parts fit into an amount. Any situation where you divide by something less than 1. The most common mistake is flipping the wrong fraction, or flipping both. Only the second fraction gets flipped. The first one stays exactly as it is throughout. Get that the wrong way round, and your answer will be completely different. To recap, keep the first fraction. Flip the second. Multiply them together. Simplify if possible. Keep, flip, multiply. 3 words, and you have dividing fractions covered for good. Next up, converting fractions to decimals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday maths explained simply.